technology is the single most important invention of all time. In addition to bringing us cryptocurrencies, it has also opened a digital world of seemingly endless possibilities. Anyone can trade cryptocurrency successfully online, equipped the right technical knowledge, trading skills, and a lot of time for studying charts and the market. Until now. Introducing SniperBot. SniperBot is poised to remove all the customary rigors associated with trading cryptos. SniperBot is a robust trading bot that enables you to trade a variety of cryptocurrencies profitably, automatically. It offers full support for both installation and setup, and can trade on the three biggest cryptocurrency, Binance, Bittrex, and Bitmex exchanges. With SniperBot trading for you 24/7, you can use your newly afforded free time to spend more time with your family and loved ones. Download and use the mobile app for easier control both on iOS and Android. It even allows you to choose your own preferred strategies and enjoy TradingView Premium for free. SniperBot is the perfect trading Swiss knife that any discerning trader can't do without. Take advantage of SniperBot's superior performance and AI to supercharge your trading.